combining the best of yesterday with the best of today. This impressive 69 Camaro is tailored to the muscle car fan who wants the absolute best. And if you're ready to feel the summer breeze behind the wheel of a storied Detroit legend, it's a chance to turn your longtime dreams into primetime reality. A solid North Carolina super sport that's been pampered in climate control storage for 30 of its 50 years. This slick drop top has benefited from a detailed ground-up restoration. That restoration, clean and well executed, wraps smooth burgundy paint in a taut white top and Dover white rally stripes. And today the Chevy rolls as a solid and straightforward classic that continues to age exceptionally well. Between the doors, you'll find a stylish white houndstooth interior that's been lovingly restored. At the center of the car, a vinyl-trimmed bench complements Deluxe bucket seats. A wood-trimmed dash founds traditional gauges above a modern direct-fit radio. A wood-trimmed console frames a Hurst shifter and 4-pack accessory gauges. And a reproduction rally wheel laps a tilting steering column. Lift the hood and you'll find 350 cubic inches of polished and painted small block that's wedged inside a clean and highly detailed frame. That small block sends power to a tough Muncie 4-speed back to a GM 12-bolt rear. A tough-looking muscle car that wraps a hot drivetrain in choice paint and timeless trim? What more could you ask for? For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.